she spotted a tiny white egg in the soil of her garden. At first she thought it was just a pebble, but when she touched it, she realized it was warm and fragile. Curious, she picked it up and decided to keep it safe. Only a few days later, the shell began to crack. She held her breath as the egg wobbled in her hand. Slowly, a tiny head pushed through, followed by delicate legs. To her amazement, it was a baby gecko, so small it could barely balance on her fingertip. From that day on, she cared for it. She let it climb across her arms, fed it tiny drops of water, and even placed fruit near it for insects to gather. Each morning it greeted her with wide, curious eyes. The little gecko had hatched into her life unexpectedly, but she knew it was hers to keep.